Hello everybody, welcome back to Universe Jarvis, and it is MLK Day, so actually off work today. So I have actually a couple different videos that I've been wanting to do, so I've just kind of been taking my time, I guess, maybe being lazy. Not really. Anyhow, so we're going to start with something that I actually picked up on yesterday, and it's one of my, I guess, passions, something I have a high interest in. But you guys know I really like Harry Potter, so came across a couple little items, and I actually got a little bit shanked on one of these. There's 6 boxes here. Should have been 7, but the 7th box was actually empty, so trying to decide what I want to do with that. But thanks, Walmart, for, I guess, your shrinkage and people taking things, and you buy something and there's nothing in the box. But anyway, side note. So, this little thing right here, it is a box with a collectible wand in it, and there are 11 wands total that you can get, and they're kind of, I guess, it's like when you were a kid, you get like those bubblegum packets or baseball cards. You don't really know what you're getting because it's sealed or whatever. So you can get Harry Potter's wand, Victor Crumb, Remus Lupin, Newt Scamander, Ron Weasley, Hermione Granger, Albus Dumbledore, Seraphina Pickery, Alistair Moody, and Sirius Black. It actually looks like he has 2 wands. If you were to look at the back of this, I don't know if it'll focus, but that's what I was looking at right there. And these were marked down to $2. Looks like they were about $5, and these are actually die-cast little wands. So I thought that was interesting instead of them being plastic. And they also come with a little stand. So I guess let's see which wands I ended up with. So this is that clearance section, and there's a lot of fun. You can find a lot of good stuff. All right, so it's an interesting little display. This is a wand. I guess I'm going to have to look at this to see whose wand it is. So this one is Hermione Granger's wand. I'm looking at the back, and it comes with a little plastic display stand too. If I can get in it. So how does this thing go together? Just like that, and then what do? Set the wand not like that. Guess it goes in there like that, maybe? I guess it's supposed to look real wizardy or something like that. So that's one wand. So we have a Hermione Granger. This one's been opened, so I don't have to. It was already opened in the store. Oh, guess what? Another Hermione Granger wand. Which I won't even take that one out of the plastic since I see what it is. So, 2 Hermione Granger wands. This one's been opened too. This one is Remus Lupin, so we'll open it up. Put this little stand together. And that's his wand right there. I guess I'm putting those in there right, I don't know. And this one looks like it was opened and then re-taped together as well. Oh, now this one is great. I know whose this one is. That actually makes me kind of happy. This is the Elder Wand. However, this is Albus Dumbledore's wand because I actually have a replica of the Elder Wand, and that's what this is. So there's that one. This is probably the coolest one. Ah, messed up my little stand here. There's that one. So that one made me happy. Still not happy about being minus a wand, and this one's been opened too in the store. This one belongs to, this is Alistair Moody's wand right here. Another pretty cool one. And these actually have really, really nice weight on them, so they're die cast, so definitely worth the $2, I think. So that's Moody's wand. I got 4 good ones. This one was opened as well. It looks like people went through these, I guess, trying to see what was in here. And another Hermione, so looks like I got 3 Hermione wands and only 4 that are kind of different. Actually, I probably really only care about these 3. Her wand's okay, I guess. Kind of a letdown that got 3 of her out of all of these, so I wonder what that 7th one would have been if it hadn't been jacked in the store. But that's these. They're pretty cool. I think something just nice to kind of sit somewhere. And like I said, I really, really like the weight of them that they die cast. I think that's pretty awesome. But just something for the collectors out there. And so I ended up with 4 out of 6 that are kind of cool. And I got 3 of this one, so that's a little bit of a letdown. But that's what you do when you buy stuff like this. It's kind of surprised exactly what you're going to get. So that's kind of the thrill of it. But I'm super, super happy about this Albus Dumbledore one. That makes me really, really excited. The Moody one's pretty cool too. Pretty nice. But that's it for this little video. Just wanted to open those up with you guys because I didn't really know which ones I had. So any questions or any comments, don't forget to comment below. And before you leave this video, don't forget to subscribe. It's Universe Jarvis, so there's a bunch of different things. It's kind of all over the place at times. But hopefully you guys will find something that you like. And see you guys later.